Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing properties of definite integration. So, in today's session, we will discuss the questions by using the various properties. Let's start with question number 5. By using the properties of definite integrals, evaluate the integral. Here, the integrand is modulus x plus 2 and the limits are minus 5 to 5. Students, here in this question, notice one thing that if the limits are numerically same but opposite in sign, in that case we check the function whether it is even or odd. Okay, but observe one thing more, that in this question we have the integrand in the form of modulus. So instead of checking the even or odd function, in this type of question we split the function because here we have the mode. Okay, so students, आपको पहचान करनी है अगर कभी भी इंटीग्रेंड में मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है तो उस केस में हम लिमिट्स को स्प्लिट करते हैं. ओके, हेयर if we put x plus 2 is equals to 0, then we get x is equals to minus 2, and this value exactly lies between minus 5 and 5. So students, minus 2 is the splitting point. Okay, in this way the splitting point is minus 2. Now students, by using the property of splitting of integral a to b f of x dx is equals to a to c plus c to b, where c points lies within the limit. So students, in this way we can write this as minus 5 to 5 modulus x plus 2 with respect to x, and minus 5 to 2 with the same integrand, and minus 2 to 5 with the same integrand. Now students, you have to do this work by inspection. आपको by inspection एक काम करना है. minus 5 to minus 2, you have to pick a point that lies between minus 5 and minus 2. Suppose if you take the point minus 4, okay, and put the minus 4 in this integrand, in this way we get the result minus 4 plus 2, negative result. So students, you have to just put a negative sign and modulus, don't write the modulus sign here. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक पॉइंट को सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, लाइज विद इन द लिमिट. सो इन दिस केस इफ वी पुट minus 4, minus 3, minus 2.5, minus 4.5, आप स्टूडेंट्स कोई भी वैल्यू को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और जब आप इसमें पुट करेंगे x प्लस 2 में, देन यू विल गेट अ नेगेटिव रिजल्ट. सो हेयर फॉर दैट we put here negative sign. In the same way, if you pick a point lies between minus 2 to 5 and put that point in the modulus of x plus 2. Suppose students, if we take 1, then if we write here 1 plus 2, we get answer 3. That is, we get the positive result. In this way, we assign here positive sign and write x plus 2 as it is without mode. Now students, integrate this and after that put the limits. Okay, so here we split this in the 4 integrals. Okay, so after that integration of x is x square over 2, integration of 2 is x because 2 is constant, integration of x is x square over 2, in the same way integration of 2 is x. But students, notice आपको करना है कि जिस फंक्शन पर लिमिट -5 to -2 है, आप लिमिट -5 to -2 ही लेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, in this way first put the upper limit minus, then put the lower limit. Okay, by using this concept, as we have done previously in the previous videos, we have done many questions how to solve this. So by simple calculation we get the result 29. So students, in this way we have done a question that involves the modulus function, and here the limits are न्यूमेरिकली सेम बट अपोजिट इन साइन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लिमिट्स कैसी भी हो सकती हैं, बट जब आप इंटीग्रेंड को ज़ीरो के इक्वल पुट करेंगे, जो भी आपकी वैल्यूज़ आती हैं, दैट आर द स्प्लिटिंग पॉइंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स कंटिन्यू with next question. Here we have question number 7. This is important question. Students, here 0 to 1 is the limits and the integrand is x 1 minus x raised to power n. Students, in the 95% cases we use the property upper limit plus lower limit. Okay, in this way we get 0 plus 1, we get 1. Now replace x with 1 माइनस एक्स. आपको स्टूडेंट सिंपल क्या करना है, लिमिट्स को ऐड करना है और जो भी आपका न्यूमेरिकली नंबर आपके पास आएगा, रिजल्टेंट आएगा, उसे हमने 1 माइनस करके लिखना है. ओके, 1 माइनस एक्स. जैसे हमारे पास इसका सम जो था वो 1 है, देन वी रिप्लेस x विद 1 माइनस एक्स. सपोज स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी हैव लिमिट 1 to 2, then addition of 1 to 2 is 3, then we write 3 minus x in the place of x. So by using this property, we write here 0 to 1, in the place of x we write 1 minus x, and here 1 minus 1 minus x. Because of negative sign outside the bracket, we change the sign of both. In this way 1 to minus 1 will cancel and we get 0 to 1, 1 minus x, x raised to power n. Now students, we can multiply x raised to power n to both the terms. In this way we get x raised to power n minus x raised to power n plus 1. Now integration of x raised to power n is x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. In the same way, integration of x n plus 1 is x raised to power n plus 2 over n plus 2. Now students, put the upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, by putting these limits we get 1 over n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 2. Now take the LCM to get the answer. In this way this is the required result. Now here we have question number 8. By using the properties of definite integrals, evaluate the integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x. Okay, as we have discussed in the previous question that in mostly 95% cases we use this property by adding the limits upper limit plus lower limit minus x. So students, we use the same property here. Addition of the limit is pi by 4, then we replace x by pi by 4 minus x. In this way we get 0 to pi by 4 is the limit log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay, and formula of tan 45 minus x is tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. So students, here we take the LCM and after that 1 minus tan x plus 1 minus tan x over 1 plus tan x. In this way we get here, students, notice one thing, that value of tan 45 is 1 and by taking the LCM we get here positive sign. Okay, after that tan x to tan x will cancel out, we get 1 plus 1 2. So students, we have property of log. Log a over b is log a minus log b. So by using this property we can write here log 2 minus log 1 plus tan x. So integration of log 2 minus log tan x. Students, you can see this is the question, okay, from which we have started. So adding first and second, we can I plus I, we can write it as 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x with respect to x, 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x. So students, both these terms will cancel out, we get this one. Log 2 is constant, so its integration is x, and now put the upper limit minus lower limit. In this way we get 2i is equals to, here 2i is equals to log 2, okay, integration of x by putting the upper limit pi by 4 and by taking this 2 in the denominator to the right hand side we get the answer, I is equals to pi over 8 log 2. So students, in this way today we have done important questions. These are really very important properties of definite integration comes in question in CBSE board exams. So students, do its practice. And here I am sharing you the next question, question number 10. This is the similar question. By using the same concepts you can do it. Okay, so students, I am sharing the solution. Do practice of this question. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.